Hello, welcome back. It has been a while since I uploaded a video on this channel. It has been a learning process for me, and one of the greatest learning process. I used to upload video on this channel of football. Football is a wonderful game. Football is one of the greatest sports entertainment in this world. At the moment, is the most popular sports in the world. Football has been, and also one of the most source of income for many footballers, e.g. Ronaldinho, Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldo 9, Ronaldo the Fat, and also Messi, the great one. So also Maradona. Football has been a core, and to be honest, this channel hasn't been making money on football, and that's why today I've decided to share my concern to people who want to venture in different content of YouTube. If you are interested in YouTube and you're interested to making video, then you need to watch this video before anything, before you make big mistake of your life. I've built a lot of channels that have grown, many which have been demonetized, others have been monetized. Even this channel was demonetized when I started publishing football videos from Manchester United. Yeah, what did he say? It used to say reused content, and to be honest, I didn't make the video. I just edited the video. I wasn't the recording, and there is right for every video. Once you press that recording, you own the right of every video that you record. Let us jump direct to the video. Direct to the video today is the content that will never make you money. First, we start with football. Football content, it has to be entertaining. You have to be the greatest editor. You have to edit a video that have never been seen, or someone has never edited the same video like you was. You have to get scenes, videos that you download from website, video you download from social media, other social medias. That one will come later. Sorry, let me have some water. Hey, I'm in the jungle and I'm here to make a content for you. Hey, sorry. Let us continue. As I was saying, football is one of the amazing content that you can venture in, and the hardest, especially copyright. Big media have copyrights for this football. E.g., I had a channel that I was doing for Messi. When Messi was in PSG, that YouTube never got monetized. I got 2 strike. Imagine, the third one was to be, my channel was to be terminated from YouTube platform, and that is so sad because the channel was almost 5,000 subscribers. Imagine gaining a lot of subscribers, then one video, just 2 videos, just make you lose the value that you have made. The nature is beautiful, by the way. You can hear some birds. Let us continue. So such content will never be monetized. So that channel was almost, I just stopped uploading video on that channel. Then I concentrated on massive channel, and also I've created another channel for Messi, just Messi and Cristiano alone. Those channels have views, have tremendous views. Those channels have views. They have great views. They will tempt you just to start. But to be honest, you don't own the copyright of those videos. You'll never get monetized on YouTube. Even if you build short videos for such videos. But I think shorts, 7 seconds, 5 seconds, you just edit a video to get money. Maybe you build shorts. Shorts are the easiest one, but there will be more people download your video, then post them. Also, it will be reused content, many reused content. I have a friend in Kenya who has done a YouTube channel called Audi, something Audi there, for football, and he has done massive views. he was #1 in my country to have the most viewed channel. Apart from that, you avoid content with football. If you don't know how to edit videos, how to steal videos, then my friend, don't try to edit football. Football is one of the hardest, because with copyright, every second copyright, every picture copyright, that is one of the very, very sad. As a footballer, as someone who want to create content on football, then maybe you do a talk show, maybe you do predictions, maybe you talk about players, maybe you become gossip like Fabrizio Romano's. Yeah, maybe build such channels, you have news, transfer news, you talk direct to the camera. That will be easy. Once your face is on the video, it is hard for YouTube to sense it, reuse content. Okay. Next content on YouTube that you should not try, movie. Yes, movie. I know many of you will be tempted to download a movie, put it on YouTube, gain views, thinking that YouTube will monetize it. No, that movie, people have put a lot in that video. They have put a lot of sacrifice in those videos, so they won't allow you to gain from those videos. Maybe you steal some parts. Maybe you do the they say commentary. When you do commentary on movies, it is easy to you to get monetized. Maybe your picture is in the video, you documented, there's no voice, there's no music in that video. Movies, avoid movies. If you want to have a good content, a faceless channel from movies, have a commentary. I know faceless channels make a lot of money, but make sure you are a good editor in movies. Maybe you want to do comedy and you want to use some parts of movies, that is allowed on YouTube. But getting and downloading a movie, a whole movie, and put, or a half or 8 minutes movie, you edit it into 8 minutes movie, then you put it on YouTube, that is reuse content or someone else content. That is someone else material. You are not allowed to do that. Another one, music. I know many of us are willingly to post someone's music, a music that goes viral. There is a video I did, a music that was going viral on TikTok or on YouTube. It was both TikTok and YouTube. The music was going very, very viral, and the owner, imagine, demonetized me. I was demonetized me, and it was in a wedding video. Then I put the song, and the owner, music has copyright. A lot of music has copyright. Maybe you go to website, download worship music from international. Those ones, the owners have allowed you to download and do mix for them and re-upload them on YouTube. Not the same they have done, but differently. Don't pretend to be another person so that you can post their music on YouTube. That is not allowed on YouTube, and you won't get monetized on YouTube. That is another one. Another content is sexual graphited content. Yes. What do I mean by sexual graphited content? Sexual graphited content is a content that you show semi-naked to your videos, and somehow some clothes that, especially in Africa or Mexico or other countries, Brazil, not US and UK, those ones are allowed to be working with the panties, to work with the bikinis. Try in Africa, you work with the bikini, your video will be monetized, will be demonetized like, whew. They don't care who you are, they don't care where you're from. They just don't care even you're a black and you work with the bikini. That is sexual content. They'll make sure. Maybe you be around the water, maybe around the swimming pool, maybe you are in the oceans, you are always on the oceans. Those ones won't get monetized. Will get monetized. But content with the bikinis, short skirts that shows panties inside, YouTube will sense those one as sexual content. Make sure you avoid such content. Avoid such content that are sexual. Another sexual content that is sensitive, especially in Africa. People going to shower in the river. You go and shower semi-naked. YouTube will send that one. Won't monetize that video. And if you continue with such content on YouTube for a long period of time, they will demonetize you and make your video. They won't terminate your channel, but they will demonetize you. They won't monetize you because your content is not advert friendly, but you'll be online. But one thing I know, many people make money with such videos. And if you want to know that, I have a class that I can tell you how to make money with such videos. Those videos will make you a lot of money on another website, on another platform, social media. There is other social media that you need to create, and they will give you like Patreon for YouTubers. Patreon is good for you, but Patreon won't have much space for your videos. So such videos are sexual content, and many people, they have a lot of views. Especially people from Brazil, India, they watch such videos, such content. Wow, massive. Even in US, they watch. Germany, they watch such videos. And they, especially men, they watch from ladies such videos. Another content that I need to tell you, yoga. Yeah, I know you are interested in fitting and yoga at the ocean. You have that mat, you do your stretching. My friend, if it's not fitting, you don't jog around inside it. You don't show fitting and doing press up. YouTube won't monetize such content. It will sense it under sexual content also. Sorry. Yes. I'm sorry to tell you this. When you start yoga, make sure you dress decently, good as a yoga instructor or as a yoga student. Say you're a student and you're doing yoga for your mental health, and YouTube will monetize such content. But content that you do yoga, showing your, especially for women, you show your it's showing in your clothes, it reveals your boobs so you can see in your transparent clothes. YouTube will send that one as a, even won't have monetization, will have that yellow. You have used, watch on your video, you have seen a yellow monetization. There is green and yellow. Green is good one, makes you money, and the other one won't make you money because it will be very it will be limited from adverts. Such content won't make you money. Another content bonus, and the most important, especially people from Africa, India, and Brazil, cooking content and village content. Those content won't make you a lot of money. You'll gain views. You need to gain a lot of views. You gain subscribers. Good thing about that, you can convert your subscribers into your monetary. You make them sponsor you, help you, play with them with their mind, and they give you money. But on YouTube, it won't make you a lot of money because they don't have good advert. Maybe food. In Africa, there is no sponsorship of video. Not much, especially on YouTube. That's why I want to focus on that, to be the first one in Africa to be sponsored in video, not as a photographer or videographer. So that one, we make sure cooking content, African content, village content, that one, they don't have advert. I tell you, they have CPM of $2 or $3. When it comes to RPM, is 0.064, 0.65, 0.89, almost $1. And for 1,000 views, imagine, for 1,000 views, you get $1. You get a 0.0, a cent. Imagine cents on dollar. That will be so hard work of nothing. And you know, cooking is very expensive. You buy your ingredients, you do what. But when you have a lot of massive views, then it's good for you. You'll make a lot of money. And if maybe you teach people how to cook and you have classes, it will make you money. And if you want that lesson, email at carlosambaka@gmail.com. I'll show you how to make money on YouTube. It is just a simple fee you pay for the school. See you in the next one. If you like this video, if you like this content, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. And don't skip this video. Let us build each other. See you in the next one.